to Crane Safety in Construction Environments, an interactive training program.
This course is available with closed captioning. Would you like to enable closed captioning? At the end of this course, you will know the safety issues associated with various types of cranes, understand the precautions that should be taken when using different kinds of cranes, and know how to move loads safely. Press the forward hand to begin the introduction to crane safety. At the end of this topic, you should be able to select the proper clothing to wear when working with cranes, and understand why your safety depends on you being physically and mentally prepared to perform your job.
Over 90% of crane-related accidents are caused by human error. If you aren't careful when you are working with a crane, you could damage the equipment and the load, even injure a coworker. If you get injured, you could face major medical bills and lost wages while you are away from work. An accident could even cost you your life. Fortunately, most crane-related accidents can be prevented. With the right attitude, hard work, and some basic knowledge, we can protect our equipment, our jobs, and the people we work with. Most mistakes that occur when working with cranes are caused by poor judgment, lack of attention, or overconfidence. So we do have the power to prevent them. Before working with a crane, you should run down a mental checklist to make sure that you are ready and able to do what is needed. Start with your health and state of mind. They are very important when operating cranes. Ask yourself, am I physically and mentally prepared to work with this machine? For example, if you are taking medication, you should ask your doctor or pharmacist if it could affect your performance. Some drugs cause drowsiness, dizziness, or problems with coordination. The labels on the bottles usually warn you not to operate heavy machinery. That includes cranes. Another question that you need to ask yourself is, am I emotionally prepared? When we are angry or upset, we can make hasty decisions that could jeopardize the safety of the people around us. Someone could get hurt, even you. Being prepared also means dressing the part. It is important to wear protective clothing while working with cranes. Safety shoes with steel toes will protect feet from dropped loads and heavy equipment. A hard hat and safety glasses will help protect your head and eyes from falling or hanging objects. Shirts without sleeves can expose your arms to sharp objects and moving parts. Long-sleeve shirts provide the most protection. Tuck in shirt tails if they are loose or baggy so they won't get caught in the machinery. Shirts without sleeves can expose your arms to sharp objects and moving parts. Long-sleeve shirts provide the most protection. Tuck in shirt tails if they are loose or baggy so they won't get caught in the machinery.
Click on a topic you want to review. If you do not want to review a topic, press the forward hand to continue. You will now be given a brief test to see what you have learned. This test consists of 3 questions. If you answer 2 or more of the questions correctly, you will advance to the next topic. If you do not, you will automatically review the current topic. Please press the forward hand to take the topic test.